7 signs you or someone you know have unique healing energy. Hello everyone. People with unique healing energy are happy and inspirational. They are the kind of people who give out positive energy and help you get through all the adventures of your life. They infect you with positive vibes, and being around them always makes you feel good. Here are 7 unique characteristics of people with unique healing energy. But as usual, guys, I hope you can help this channel to gain more vibration by clicking that like button below, and do subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Let's dig in. 1. They listen and don't judge. People that have unique healing energy are very understanding. They will never try anything to hurt you. They will never try to manipulate you no matter what. They see you for who you are and will never try to change you to any form which they feel they might want you to be. They allow you to be your best self whenever you're with them. They always give listening ears to your every problem. And they only give suggestions when they're asked for it. These people respect the story of anyone they come in contact with. They're healers, and they never judge you no matter the case. 2. They're consistent in their doings. If you want to work with someone fully committed to anything he or she is involved in, someone that is consistent in what he thinks, does, feels, and says, someone that will never lie to you or try to cheat you to get what he wants, someone that holds his integrity at very high esteem than any other thing. You can only get such qualities in a person that has this unique healing energy, and if you meet someone with these qualities, know that such a person is really precious. 3. They're interested in you. People with unique healing energy always want to make sure they know the people they spend time with very well. This doesn't mean that they have any evil plan nursed up in their sleeves, but simply because they want to be able to respect your boundaries and your time. They know that they should be sad if someone invades their privacy, so they always try to know people so much so that they don't hurt them by invading their privacy. They're thoughtful people. 4. They are always attentive and friendly. These people are the friendliest set of people you can never meet in the world. They're the real definition of what a friend is. They can do anything for the sake of their friendship. They're the best people to share your issues with because they will always give you undivided attentiveness. They will never try to take advantage of their friendliness with people, even though people do that to them. But it doesn't change their true nature. They continue being who they are. 5. They are positive people. Healing people look at life from a perspective of goodness. They're healing people. They're always of a positive mindset. They don't see any evil in things. They only look at the positivity in every situation. No matter how difficult a problem might be, a man with unique healing energy will always try to look at such difficulty as a blessing in disguise and see the positive aspects of that difficult situation. Being around them is a gift. 6. They create a safe shelter. It's impossible to stop anyone from experiencing the storms of life when they come. But with these people around, they always make the situation look mild on you. They're always there for you when you need them. They make sure to create a haven for you in times of despair. 7. They infect you with positive feelings. The emotional infection effect is tremendously essential. When you are around a cynic consistently, you might begin to find yourself becoming negative. But on the other hand, when you're around optimists, you will be better off and healthier. This is because they inject you with positive emotions. So guys, what do you think of this video? Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Stay tuned on this channel and see you in the next video.